2010 Acura MDX ABD, the ultimate blend of luxury and performance. Discover the perfect synergy of style, power, and comfort with the 2010 Acura MDX SUV with AWD. It is more than just transportation. It's an experience waiting to be had. Some key features: robust V6 engine. The heart of this MDX is a 3.7L V6 engine, delivering both power and efficiency. Whether you're cruising the city streets or embarking on a cross-country adventure, the MDX ensures a thrilling ride. Smooth automatic transmission. The 6-speed automatic transmission seamlessly shifts gears, allowing you to focus on the road ahead. All-wheel drive AWD. Tackle any terrain with confidence. The MDX AWD system provides exceptional traction, ensuring stability, even in challenging conditions. Elegant beige interior. Step inside to find beige upholstery that wraps you in comfort. Ample space ensures every journey is a pleasant one. Sophisticated black exterior. The MDX black exterior exudes style and sophistication. It's designed for both aesthetics and optimal performance. Price. Priced at an attractive $6,950, this MDX offers luxury without breaking the bank. Mileage. With 211,834 miles on the odometer, it's ready for many more adventures. Call us at 603-488-108 to schedule a test drive or inquire further. Email us at Contact Seller for additional details. Don't miss out on this exceptional SUV. The 2010 Acura MDX SH AWD awaits its next owner.